So in division of integers, now we are going to solve two questions. Okay. So you are seeing on the board, there are two questions. You are seeing minus 18 plus 18. That will give, firstly we will remove the bracket. It will give minus 18 and then plus 18. Okay. And this side 6, 12 upon 6. We can write it like this. And 18 minus 18, it will give 0. 6 2 ja 12. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. Okay. And through the property 4, the value is 0. Property 4. According to property, if any 0 is divided by any number, answer will be 0. Okay. And next, move to the next question. Say minus 72 divided by minus 12. We will remove the bracket. Minus 72 and then minus 12. And this side 36 divided by 18. And here minus 72 divided by minus 12. Minus and minus remove. 12 1 ja 12, 12 6 ja 72. Then this minus 6 3 ja 18, 6 8 ja 36, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So there is 2 upon 1. And this side 6 upon 1 means 6. And there is 2. 2 3 ja 6. Like this you can solve such type of questions. Okay. Hello children. Today we are going to discuss on word problem related to property of division on integers. Okay. So you are seeing the question which I have written on the board. An elevator descends me to go downside. Like a lift to go downside, that is descending position, into a coal mine. And coal mine is a broad area where we have to go down to dig out the coal at the rate of 5 meters per minute. Look at here, there is both the distance, the time and the distance. It means it is speed. Distance upon time, that is called speed. If the descent starts from 20 meters above, look at the figure. This is the above area. The elevator is in this position. There is elevator above the ground 20 meters, and it wants to go minus 250 meters in the bottom here. Okay. So how much time it will take to reach the ground level here? Understand? So now I'm solving for you. Rate of descending means speed equals to 5 meters per minute. Total distance is equal to 20 meters above the surface and 250 meters below the surface. Minus sign only showing that the distance is downside below the ground. Okay. So the total distance is 270 meters. So now we have distance and speed. So we will use the formula of time. Time equals to distance upon speed. Because a formula is popular, T distance equal to T into S. So if we transfer, so the S will go downside. So T upon D upon F equals to T. This formula will use here. Okay, now put the value 270 upon 5. So if we divide 5, look at here, we will divide 270 by. I know, I directly write it will come 54, but I am solving for you. 5 5 ja 25, 2 is the remainder, 0 I will carry, 5 4 ja 20. So here the answer will come 54, and the time always write in minute. So 54 minute is your answer. Means it will take 54 minutes to go minus 50 below the surface. I hope you understand. Next question you are seeing on the board. It is just a series of previous question. The temperature at 10 a.m. was 12 degrees centigrade. Means starting. If it decrease means going down. Like in the winter time, as you see now, the temperature is after noon is a little bit decreasing slowly. So again we will see on the mobile, on the TV, now 20 degrees centigrade, now 10 degrees centigrade, and this time in our previous winter, the temperature goes in the midnight maybe 6 degrees centigrade. The same is happening here, and every 3 degrees centigrade per hour, means in 1 hour it decreased 3 hours or 3 degrees centigrade. And midnight, what would the temperature be? 15 degrees centigrade below 0. Means this is 0. Below 0 means the temperature will go in minus. Okay. So what would be the temperature at midnight? So he is asking the both two things. The time, what time, and the what would be the temperature. The two things the question is asking to us. So now we have to solve it, and we are starting. Firstly, we have rate of decreasing. Rate of decreasing temperature. Means speed. 3 degrees centigrade per hour. Okay. And now we will find out the total temperature. Required temperature. At night. So then 12 degree, firstly from 12, and when it go down, so then the whole temperature will add 12 plus 15. 27 degrees centigrade. Okay. So now time. At which temperature be 15 degrees centigrade equals to 27 upon 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 27, means 9 hours. It will take to reach minus 15. Okay.